sense of honor that is very rare indeed. You're a good man, Charlie Brown, and we know you will go very far. Yes, it's hard to believe, almost frightening to conceive what a good man you are. You are kind to all the animals and every little bird. With a heart of gold, you believe what you're told.
Every single solitary word.
You bravely face adversity. You're cheerful through the day. You're thoughtful, brave, and courteous.
And you also have some faults, but for the moment, let's just say
That you're a good man, Charlie Brown. You're a prince, and a prince could be king. With a heart such as yours, you could open any doors. You could go out and do anything. You could be King Charlie Brown. You could be king.
if only you weren't so wishy-washy.
I really don't think you have anything to worry about, Charlie Brown. After all, science has shown that a person's character isn't really established until he's at least 5 years old.
But I am 5. I'm more than 5.
Oh well, that's the way it goes. The only thing wrong with my big brother, Charlie Brown, is his lack of confidence, his inferiority, and his lack of confidence. His clumsiness, his inferiority, and his lack of confidence. His stupidity, his clumsiness, his inferiority, and his lack of confidence.
Know that Charlie Brown has never pitched a winning baseball game, never been able to keep a kite in the air, never won a game of checkers, and never successfully punted a football. No, sometimes I marvel at his consistency.
I think Charlie Brown has nice hands.
It is truly a dog's life, filled with many challenges. You try acting excited when that round-headed kid comes home from school.
Now, Linus, I want you to take a good look at Charlie Brown's face. Please hold still a minute, Charlie Brown. I want Linus to study your face. Now, this is what you call a failure face. Notice how it has failure written all over it. Notice the deep lines, the dull, vacant look in the eyes. Why, yes, this is one of the finest examples of a failure face that you're liable to see for a long while.
Some days, I wake up early in the morning to watch the sunrise, and I think how beautiful it is. And I get a very positive feeling about things. Like this morning, for instance. The sky's so clear and the sun's so bright. How could anything go wrong on a day like today? I'm late!
This is my book report on the past. The past has always interested people. However, I must admit, I don't know much about it. I wasn't here when it happened.
Lunchtime is among one of the worst times of the day for me. Always sitting here alone. Of course, mornings aren't so pleasant either. Always wondering if anyone would ever miss me if I never got out of bed. Nights not always so pleasant either. Laying in bed, thinking about all those stupid things I've done during the day, and then all those hours in between when I do those stupid things. Lunchtime is among one of the worst times of the day for me. Well, I better see what I've got. Peanut butter. Some psychiatrists say that people who eat peanut butter sandwiches are lonely. I guess they're right. And if you're really lonely, peanut butter sticks to the roof of your mouth. Boy, the PTA sure did a good job painting these benches. There's that cute little redheaded girl eating her lunch over there. There's an empty place next to her on the bench. I could go sit over there if I wanted to. Wonder what she would do if I went over there. She'd probably laugh in my face. It's hard on a face when it gets laughed in. I could just go over there and sit there right now. There's no reason why not to. All I have to do is stand up. I'm standing up. I'm sitting down. I'm a coward. I'm so much of a coward she wouldn't even think of looking at me. In fact, I don't remember her ever looking at me. Is there any reason why she shouldn't look at me? She's so great, and I'm so small that she can't spare one little moment looking at me. She's looking at me. She's looking at me.
The one I'm talking about is the very light blue one with the design embroidered around the waist.
I don't remember.
Well, I have a skirt like this, and a sash like this, and some sleeves like this.
Oh yes, I remember.
Yeah,